Welcome to SnapComms. This tutorial explains SnapComms Reports. The purpose of our reports is to validate that the SnapComms messages that you have published succeeded in getting employee attention. All SnapComms reports are available real-time and for every message type such as alerts, surveys, quizzes, tickers, newsletters, screensavers, and wallpaper. The primary report in the suite is the success report. For this tutorial, we will examine the success report for a quiz that was sent to a small group of staff. Here is the pop-up notification on screen, and I choose to answer it now. I answer to the best of my ability, and I submit. My scorecard is shown for me to review. Now let's return to the dashboard to look at the success report for the same quiz I published last week to a group of staff. Find the rainbow quiz and notice that the success score is 100%. This means that 100% of staff who received the message on screen have completed it. Click on the reports icon to see the set of reports available for this quiz. We will examine the success report in detail. At the top of the report are a set of filters where you can set the date range for the report and the published version that you are looking for the results for. The date range defaults to the published lifetime of the quiz, which includes all statistics from published date to the present. But that can be changed if you'd prefer to see statistics for a specific date range. The versions filter defaults to consolidated, which is what we will look at first. Below the filters are three graphics. The bar chart shows how many users were targeted, 13 in this case. Then how many users the quiz reached. Reach means that the message was received by the SnapComms app and available for display. Next to that we see the displayed metric. Displayed means that the quiz was opened either from the pop-up notification or from the message history and was displayed on screen. Finally, the success metric tells us how many staff actually completed and submitted the quiz. The reach summary shows the percentage of the targeted group that the quiz reached. In this case, it was 92.3%, which is 12 out of the 13 staff. The success summary shows the percentage that submitted the quiz out of those that received it on screen. In this case, it is 12 out of 12, so 100%. To the right, you see further details about the quiz for easy reference. Now let's look at the table below the graphics. For this consolidated view of the report, I get top-level stats for each staff member that was targeted. I can use the filter feature to see which employee did not receive the quiz. Select the column settings icon and filter by the reach data. This indicates that this employee's SnapComms app is not connecting to the server to receive the quiz. To see more detail on each person's response, change the version filter to all versions. In this example, I only published the quiz once, but in reality the quiz may have been published again to those who had not yet submitted a response. Notice how the results table expands to show the overall quiz score and each question score for each staff member. I can also add additional data to the table by selecting any column, clicking the settings icon, and adding additional information of interest. In this case, I'd like to see how long each employee took to answer the quiz, so I select the completion time option. Next, I'd like to group the report by overall quiz score. To do this, drag the score column header to the top of the table. Now I can easily see whose knowledge is sufficient as measured by the 100% score and which staff may need additional training on the topic. Notice that you can export the report in its filtered or grouped state to Excel for further offline analysis. Now I want to drill down into exactly what this group of staff got wrong in the quiz. To do that, open the Quiz Drill Down report. And again select the All Versions filter. Then select the quiz results table and you will see each respondent's answer. Group the responses by score and you can examine all the incorrect answers. Again, you can export this report to Excel for further analysis. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please speak to your SnapComms representative or email tech.support@snapcomms.com.